Did you know rough idling might not be your engine's fault? Don't panic. If you care about a smooth ride and fuel savings, like and subscribe. Here's why your bike idles like it's coughing. Dirty air filters, old spark plugs, bad fuel messing with combustion. Start with a filter clean, plug check, and fresh gas. Still rough? Clean the carb or throttle body. Next up, the easiest way to boost fuel efficiency without mods. Follow to find out.